today I've got a kebab recipe for you. This is called as a muthi kebab recipe and it's very simple, very easy to prepare. Muthi basically means a fist. So we are normally going to shape the kebabs in a fist and then we are going to fry them. So the ingredients. So for the kebab, I have taken 250 grams of keema or minced meat and I have washed it very well and made sure that there is absolutely no water. I squeezed it out very well. And then when you buy this keema from your butcher, make sure that it is run down very well to a very fine keema. If it is not fine, then you may run it into your grinder. Just pulse it once and it will be fine. By grinding it, we are just making it elastic. And then other ingredients that I will be needing is 3 tablespoons of gram flour, half a teaspoon of pomegranate seeds which I've roasted on the pan and then I crushed it in my pestle and mortar, half teaspoon of red chili powder, and then I've got salt, cumin and the chaat masala, which is again half a teaspoon. I'm going to need 1 egg, and then I'm going to add other things into the keema, which is the tomato, 1 small size, green chilies to taste, 1 medium size onion, and then I have got mint leaves and green coriander leaves. Into this keema we'll start adding our gram flour, pomegranate seeds, red chili powder. Now I'm going to add these dry spices, cumin, salt, chaat masala. Now I'm going to add all these tomatoes, green chilies, onions, coriander and mint. I'm going to crack open an egg into this and we're going to need our hands to mix in. So just mix it very well till everything is well combined. Mix the keema well, and now we don't need to marinate this because we don't want all the vegetables to lose their water and then they will make our keema very less, and eventually you will have to add more of the gram flour and then it won't taste very nice. So I'm just taking very small pieces. We're going to shape them like this into a muthi. Don't make very big pieces because I do not want that the keema should be very raw from inside and cooked from outside. So just take small pieces, shape it into your hands and then place it. So this is called as muthi kebab because we're shaping in the. Prepared a batch of some muthi kebabs. As you can see, they are all of small size, and here I've kept a kadai for heating with some oil, and now we're just going to drop in our muthi kebabs and we're going to fry them on a medium flame till they are cooked both inside and out. Muthi kebabs are fried and ready, and now you see our muthi kebabs are ready. Let me just break one piece and show you. See how beautifully it has cooked from inside, and you may serve it with any ketchup or chutney. So guys, do give it a try. Post me your comments and share my videos with your family and friends, and do like us on Facebook and subscribe to my channel, and thank you for watching my video.